Want to turn your simple sketch into a detailed masterpiece? Make your voice sound like an electric guitar? Or maybe translate your videos into different languages with just one click? Sounds impossible, right?
Solo un clic. Suena imposible, ¿verdad? Un simple clic. Ça semble impossible, non?
Well, not in the reality we're living in today. So if you think you've seen everything AI has to offer, think again. 2024 is bringing even more to the table, and here are the top 10 tools you need to know about. Trust me on this one because the first tool alone might blow your mind. Numero uno, Runway ML. Ever wondered if you could make photos move with a few clicks? Well, say hello to runwayml.com. Using its motion brush feature, you can breathe life into still images. Whether it's a bird, a landscape, or even a selfie, you simply paint over the areas you want to animate, adjust the motion with sliders, and let the AI do its thing. What truly is amazing is how seamlessly it brings elements like fire, water, or animals to life, making them look unbelievably realistic. Trust me on this. And don't worry about your tech skills. Runway makes the process so user-friendly that you could be animating images like a pro within minutes. Number 2, leonardo.ai, an AI tool that turns your simple drawings into stunning artwork. It offers a blank canvas where you can scribble anything, be it a rough shape or a random doodle. All that's left now is to type in what you want to see, and within seconds, the AI takes your input and generates stunning images in various styles like cinematic, fantasy, or even dynamic art. And what really sets Leonardo apart is the ability to refine your image with a single click. Let's say you're not happy with the first result. Hit the refine button and bam, your art gets 10 times better. And did I mention it can also generate animated videos from still images? Yeah, that's right, pretty cool. Number 3, Mischief. For those of you who love a good laugh, you've got to check out Mischief. This AI tool lets you swap faces in GIFs or GIFs or however you want to say it. I say GIFs or sometimes GIFs. It's super simple to use. Find a GIF, upload a photo, and let Mischief do its thing. The results are hilarious and look surprisingly real. Think of it as the ultimate tool for pranking your friends or sending some wild messages. Again, the face swap is so well done that your friends might think you're secretly become a master meme maker overnight. Do you want to be the next master meme maker? Best part, it's completely free, making it perfect for anyone who wants to have some fun without spending a dime. At number 4, we have Clip Drop Swap. Similar to Mischief, this AI tool allows you to swap faces in any image. But here's where it gets even cooler. Clip Drop's AI doesn't just plop your face into the image, it takes into account the original face's expression, lighting, and angle, blending it perfectly into a new image. Whether you're putting your face on the Mona Lisa or swapping faces in a family photo for fun, Clip Drop does it all with stunning precision. But it's not just for fun. This tool could have serious applications in design, advertising, and even film production. 5 is Hey Jen. Now, this next one's gonna make your jaw drop. Let's say you create a video and the voiceover is in English. But what if you want to instantly translate the same video to over 29 different languages? That's a lot of languages. No one has the time to do that. However, Hey Jen can handle it with just one click. All you have to do is record yourself speaking and head over to heyjen.com. Once you've set up your account, click on the video translate section, upload the video, select a language like French or Spanish, and within seconds, your video is completely translated. And here's the kicker, it doesn't just slap subtitles on it, it actually translates your voice and perfectly syncs the lips.
Then check this out.
No solo añade subtítulos, de hecho, traduce tu voz y sincroniza perfectamente los labios,
making it look like you're speaking the language fluently. Crazy, am I right? This tool is perfect for creators who want to reach global audiences without the hassle of learning new languages or hiring translators. That can get expensive. Plus, with more than 29 languages available, the world got a whole lot smaller. You know what I mean? Number 6, create your chatbot with ChatGPT. If you've been blown away by ChatGPT's capabilities, wait until you hear about its latest feature. Create your own AI chatbot. Using this tool, you can essentially clone yourself or anyone else to have a personalized AI assistant. Just go to the Explore GPT section from the sidebar and click Create in the top right. You simply feed it information about your interests, preferences, or even your personality traits, and the AI learns to think and respond just like you. This is now essentially a second brain that can handle your emails, schedule tasks, or even give advice based on how you would respond. And even if that wasn't enough, you can continuously teach it to become more and more like you, making it a genuinely personalized AI. Whether you need it for work, creativity, or just for fun, creating your own chatbot will for sure make you feel like you've entered the future, as we are now in the future every single day. AI is advancing ginormously. 7 is 11 Labs AI voice changer. Ever wish you could sound like someone else?
Yes! That's awesome!
11 Labs voice changing tool takes things to a whole new level. With this, you can record your voice and transform it into another, whether that's a deep, distinguished gentleman or a quirky animated character. And you don't necessarily even have to settle for the pre-made voices. You can even train the AI to mimic any voice you want, really, truly any voice. Number 8 is musify.lol. Okay, musicians, I'm a musician myself, or should I say soon to be musicians, this one's for you. Musify.lol is an AI tool that turns your voice into a musical instrument. Yep, gone are the days of guitars, drums, or any actual instruments for that matter. All you need now is your voice.
Hang on, I have to do something. Check this out.
Check out time.
No judgment here, and let the AI transform those funny noises into a legit musical track. Musify also lets you remix and layer different instrument sounds like electric guitar, bass, or drums, all using your voice. By the end, you've got yourself a complete track. This tool is ridiculously fun to play around with. Got 9, Room AI. Thinking about redecorating your room? Let Room AI take care of that. This AI tool allows you to upload a picture of any room in your house, choose a style, and watch as it transforms your space into something completely different. Whether you want a rustic, modern, or even psychedelic vibe, Room AI will generate stunning results in a matter of seconds. Want to take it a step further? Room GPT also provides a color palette and suggestions for decor. You could upload a photo of your living room and within seconds, see how it would look in a Victorian style or with a sleek, minimalistic design. It's a perfect tool for those who want to visualize their dream space without hiring an interior designer. And 10, mylens.ai. For all the history enthusiasts out there, I'm not really one of them, but mylens.ai is a tool you'll love. It allows you to generate historical timelines on practically any subject, whether it's about YouTube, Apple, or even major world events. All you need to do is type in the topic, and mylens.ai will create a timeline filled with key moments and milestones related to it. The beauty of mylens.ai is how easy and interactive it is. Instead of spending hours digging through articles or books, this tool provides a streamlined way to visualize history. Plus, you can download it and save the timeline for later use, making it perfect for research, presentations, or just satisfying your curiosity. And there you have it, 10 AI tools that are set to shake up your 2024. Now, here's the real question. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest AI innovations and how it's related to your advertising. We'll see you.